Hi there, this is Ramesh from Piximperfect, and today we'll learn how to create a reflection in Photoshop in just 1 minute. Select the rectangle marquee tool and make a selection till the reflection point just like that. Press Ctrl Command J. Press Ctrl Command D, right click on it and choose Flip Vertical. Now let's bring it down just like that. I'm happy with this, and then hit enter. Hold the Ctrl command, click on the layer thumbnail and then click on the mask button. Now separate the mask, come back to the layer, go to filter, blur and then motion blur. Let's keep it 90 degrees and you can play with the distance. 19 is fine for this example. Hit OK. Go to filter, blur and then Gaussian blur. Let's add a little bit of Gaussian blur. 1.2 is fine for this example. Hit OK. Let's make the water a little darker by clicking on the adjustment layer icon and click on levels. Now bring this slider to the left, but this makes everything darker. Click on this button, create clipping mask button. This makes just the water darker. It looks amazing. Now at this point you might think the water is a little bit sharp over the edge, and then you would come back to the mask, open up the properties right here and increase the feather just a little bit, and there you go. Let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after.